Do you know why many people take the wrong step in life? It is simply because many times they don't take out the time to discover who they are. And if you don't know who you are, how can you know where you want to go? How can you know who you want to become? How can you know the necessary steps that will enable you get there? I'm talking about this today because I want you to focus on discovering who you are in case you don't know what that is. In case you don't know, what your purpose in life is all about. That can be your goal for this 12-week challenge. Your goal could be, let me dedicate an hour every day to ask myself questions about my likes, to ask questions about my skills, my passion, my desires, so that maybe at the end of this 12-week challenge, I'll have a better understanding of who I am and what I want to be. And maybe that will kickstart the journey towards living that dream. That could be your 12-week challenge. And right now we're in week 8, right? So we have basically about a month to go. And a month is enough time for you to discover yourself. So I want to challenge you today to discover who you are. What's that primary purpose of your life? If I had to ask you today, what is it about your life that you want people to remember you for? What would you say that is? If you cannot answer that question, then you have a goal to go fulfill. So go ahead and go do it and start asking yourself those relevant questions so that you can uncover who you are and so that you can walk and realize that dream of who you are meant to be. Because I can imagine there are billions of people waiting for you to realize that dreams because the world needs you. Okay? Here is your reminder to seek after your life goal and uncover what that thing is. Today is day 3 of week 8 and we're still on our 12-week challenge, and now you have a goal to go walk on. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.